My name's Nora.
I'm Ryan.
We heard about Premier Quality Renovations and Peter through a colleague of mine from work. We met with him and we kind of walked through the house and we felt confident that he kind of had a good idea of what we wanted to do. We were very busy, and so it's kind of important to have somebody who's kind of capable of taking the reins a little bit. Yeah.
The startup process was quick and efficient. So basically, as soon as we took possession of the house, within the first 2 weeks, we were able to get started right away. So that process was easy.
Yeah, the crew, Janusz and Adrian and whatnot, we really enjoyed seeing them every day when we popped by. They're really friendly and was always very efficient, and they're friendly, and like I said, everything was quite clean. Like, we even lived in the basement for a couple of months while they were still doing renos, and it wasn't, too much of an issue. They were quiet and clean and whatnot, so.
Yeah, they did a really good job helping it not feel like a work site, especially when we were living here. So it was nice, and they were awesome.
Getting in touch with Peter and the crew is never difficult, and lots of people talk about how it's very difficult to hear back from somebody, or they've called their contractor 5 days ago and haven't heard back and whatnot, and certainly that was never our experience. He would sometimes even call a few too many times during the day, which is probably better than someone not calling back for a few days or not getting back to you about things, so certainly getting in touch with him was never an issue.
Yeah, I think Peter was always available and walked through the house with us almost weekly, and he was on site very frequently. So he was always communicating with us well.
We're really happy with it, yeah. We did most of the choosing of the things we wanted, obviously, in the house, right? And so we're very happy, I think, with the choices we made, but I think also just the quality of work. We started with an older home, but we're very happy with how it turned out, yeah. Definitely, yes.
I think that's an easy question to answer because we have actually recommended Peter and the Premier Group to some of our friends when things have popped up already. So yeah.
We would definitely recommend Peter at Premier Quality Renovations. Yeah.